Hi everyone, today we're opening Boombox Bluetooth speaker boombox. Alright, this is so heavy. Now let's cut. Alright. There. And the big beginning. Alright, I'll put it here. Oh wow, it's really heavy, by the way. Wow, it's alright, it's out. We're gonna put it up. Awesome, it's out. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, there's something here. Oh. It fall down. Okay. Let's open this and this. Alright. Now here is all the things out of the box. Okay, and here's the boom box. It says boom box. It's very nice. And then you open this. And here is the cables to put on. This is charging cable to charge. And this one is audio. And this one is charging your phone. Okay. Now we're going to power on. It's only 3 lights. There must be 2 more. Alright. That's a nice sound. Oh, it's blinking. Blink, blink, blink. Now connect your phone or Bluetooth. Let's do it right now. Okay, we connect it here to the speaker. Now we are going to put my video on. My video is playing. My video's playing on YouTube, and it's so loud in this speaker. So cool, right? Now we are to plus and minus is increase. increase or uncrease. And this is the back side. So details in the front. So it has 7
it's so loud.
and it has touch and respond. And if you press harder, it'll make more sound. And if you press lesser,
If you play this at night, everybody's gonna wake up.
now
Don't do
let's
it.
open. It comes with a stand, power adapter.
Bye! Like and subscribe, hit the bell. And then keep going to play with this. But it's not a toy, it's a